Hi everybody, it's Chevy with Daily City Rec, and today I'm going to show you how I make peppermint Oreo brownies. What you're going to need for this are 2 sticks of melted butter, some chocolate chips. I have about half a cup, a 1/4 cup of cacao powder, 3/4 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, crushed peppermint candies, and crushed Oreos. Our first step is we're going to crack these eggs and mix them with the sugar. After mixing the eggs and the sugar together, we're going to add the melted butter while we're melting the chocolate in the microwave between 20 and 30 seconds. While we're mixing the melted butter and melted chocolate with the eggs and sugar, we're going to start putting this Oreo onto the bottom of the tin. You want to put it on nice and evenly at the bottom so we get that nice crunch after we bake them. After we've mixed those ingredients, go ahead and put them over the brownies evenly into the pan. After putting in the mix into your container, go ahead and put the crushed candy on top of the brownie mix. Now it's time to throw this into the oven at 350 degrees and bake it between 25 to 35 minutes. Hope you enjoy these brownies and stay safe, guys.